Here's an example. It says you will find the distance between 2 points by using the distance formula. Your steps after you plug in the values to the distance formula, you're going to subtract the x values and square that amount. You're going to subtract the y values and square that amount, and then add those squares together, and then take the square root. Up at the top, right over here, I've given you the distance formula. D equals the square root of the x values, the difference of the x values squared, plus the difference of the y values squared. So here's our example. Find the distance between the points with the given coordinates 6, 8, and 9, 10. So the first thing we're going to do is label the points. I'm going to call this point, point 1, and this point, point 2. So I'm going to go through and label those values, x1 and x2. So x1 is 6, the x coordinate of point 1. y1 is 8, the y coordinate of point 1. And then for point 2, the x value is 9, so x2 is 9. And the y value is 10, so y2 is 10. So now I know what to substitute in for the x2, x1, y2, and y1 in the formula. So I'm going to substitute those 4 values into my formula, and here's what I get. Subtract your x values, you have 9 minus 6. And subtract your y values, you have 10 minus 8. They're all squared in the formula. You have the summation here, and you have the square root. So now I'm going to start calculating this. 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2, so I'm going to change those to 3 and 2. Now I'm going to evaluate my squares. 3 squared is 9, 3 times 3. 2 squared is 4, 2 times 2, so I get 9 plus 4. And then underneath that square root, now I have to add. 9 plus 4 is 13. And then from here I have to type in the square root of 13. And I get, if I round to the nearest tenths, I get about 3.6. So the distance between those 2 points is about 3.6 units.